ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು. ಇದನ್ನು ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. What's up guys, this is the day 2 of my trip. Same costume obviously. All these 3 days I would have recorded in the same dates. So not changing the car. This is all YouTube tactics. This is all obviously you also know. No worries. In day 2 also we are checking out from KUMTA. We didn't explore much in KUMTA and all as we because the word KUMTA that exists, didn't know that existed in Karnataka itself. More was that there was a place called KUMTA. Who knows? I didn't know. Few would don't know. So we were just explore the beach, that's all. So next day we had to check out. So morning we woke up. The checkout time was 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock only we woke up. And we were like, first we didn't get ready, nothing. Packed the bags and went off. Packed the bags. Literally we packed the bags, didn't brush teeth, nothing. Put my shades not to show my sleepy eyes. Left. Kandi no kar pagda. Okay, right now we are checking out from this place called Nirvana Aditi Beach Stay. How was the stay?
It was very good.
Very good?
Yeah.
1,000 rupees for each person. And this is our view. Not this one. That's our view. We are checking. We got up very late. This is how the place looks. It is like shacks over here. You have tents, you have dormitories, you have private stay. So we stayed in that one. Woke up late also, didn't even brush our teeth. 10 o'clock is the checkout. Ayyo devare. They say in this beach you get some blue kind of things. I don't know what do they call them, but it only comes during March. Unfortunately now it wasn't there. Ayyo anna, water bottle illanna. 1 second.
Few moments later.
So it is basically called something like bioluminescence.
One eternity later.
Bioluminescence. Bioluminescence.
Bioluminescence, it seems. So it has some blue kind of glow things and all. That is also, what is it called?
The next day.
That's another phytoplanktons. So
Phytoplantics.
that's a
Phytoplantos.
Bioluminescence. So we can keep it that way. That kind of glowing happens in that beach. But when we went, it didn't happen. It went for dinner, so we also went for dinner. I know, that's a lame joke. So that happens only during March, and we went in October. So next time when we're going in March, if I see, I will show that in the video. Definitely, confirm 100%. These tents, next to this tent, we can buy one Decathlon tent and come stay there. It will be bigger than this. Mast jeans body game, mast. Right now we are going to GOKARNA and freshening up over there. Bye bye Nirvana Beach. So after we were going on our way, so we had some other work also. So we finished that and we were going to GOKARNA. From the road from KUMTA to GOKARNA was nice. All nice. It was nice cloudy in the daytime itself. Not too sunny, not cold. It was nice, like rain kind of cloud textures. Kai malarke poda. So that was nice. The cloud line was good. So we enjoyed the drive also. I hope you guys enjoyed this small clip also. Suicide case. from KUMTA to GOKARNA, it is like 1.5 hour, 2 hours, 1.5 hour to 2 hours max journey, depending on your way of driving. So we reached GOKARNA. So the place we stayed was Kudle Beach. So in the Kudle Beach, we had booked a stay. The shocking, best, worst, whatever part that is, the stay in GOKARNA was cheaper than the stay in KUMTA. In KUMTA, it was not a resort. It was like, I don't know what to say, like shacks, dormitories, something like that. So that level it was. But the stay in GOKARNA was a resort. It was cheaper than that. So that was astonishing. Thanks to Make My Trip, they gave me discount and all. The discount means not like a YouTuber discount. Make My Trip promo code. That's all, nothing else. So that kind of discount we had got. So we reached Kudle Beach. And after reaching, we checked in. We had to wait for a while to check into the rooms also. The rooms are pretty decent, you'll see. We finally reached the spot. Even the TikTok story. Our resort is that side. Namaste, Sanjeevani.
The steps to go down are that side.
Were you so hyped?
Yeah, dude, that is the first time I'd gone to a beach which I remember. Because the times before I'd gone, I was too small to even remember anything.
Yeah, see, the same goes to me.
அவன் கத்துறது இங்க வரைக்கும் கேக்குது.
When I was 5, I went to Velankani. That was the worst experience of a beach because I had to puke and all because of the smell and all that. But later, after 20 years, yeah, went to Pandi. Beautiful rock beach.
Swimming pool ஆகுது. We are having swimming pool now over here. I சும்மா go jump in beach. Appa. So we've reached GOKARNA and we've checked into this place called Namaste Sanjeevani.
Now this is okay for 3K.
2.7K. This is more than okay. You have to still see the room also. So our room is ready now after waiting for 20 minutes. Oh, the market. We'll go freshen up now.
Yes.
We are diving here.
Let's go.
Idla diving, adla dive.
I'll bring shampoo and then your.
Ange kudde kuliyalarai.
Wow,
So hey Jerry. Walk into the woods. பைரவா ரூம்ஸ். ஆமா நம்ம ரூம் பேர் பைரவா தான். ஓ
Oh, nice. Peaceful.
ஹேய் பாம்பு புத்து.
Serious ஆவா?
இங்க பாருங்க. So this is our room. See the view outside. Hey. I don't know how many snakes are hiding here. This is the view inside. So after I check in, so we had plans of having lunch near the beach. So the hotels now will be there now. So we had plans of having lunch over there and coming back, freshening up and playing in the swimming pool. But everything went upside down. Not upside down, little. So the entire plans was changed. So we went in the room. Interesting, we just left to have lunch. But the route from the resort to the beach, and also the resort itself was inside like a jungle. Night time and all, if we walk inside, you will get lost. No wonder you will get lost. It's like a jungle itself is inside. And our rooms are very amazing. Right now we are going to the beach, GOKARNA beach. Jeans mandi ke mast. Kya ji tumhe?
Wow.
Tapp bigil. Ayyo.
Hello?
This is the way to the beach. This. So we'll be going to the beach now, having lunch over there and chilling for some time. Coming back to the hotel and playing in swimming pool. Oh my god, look at this. We have spotted a domestic bison. Hello. Hey. Domestic bison. What the hell was I even thinking at that time? Domestic bison. Chai. Same guy, yeah. Oh. We are near the beach.
Amazing.
Definitely. Kuspitli. The Kudle beach. And you would have seen the way also, the way to the, from the resort to the beach, like somewhere around 400 to 600 meters. And it's all like walking into the woods itself. All full, you would have seen, no? That way only it is. So it is very difficult to walk. Not very difficult, little difficult, like old people and all, no? They will pakka trip and fall, that is for sure. And night times and all, it is very scary. Because obviously seeing that route in the night times without the light, very difficult, no? There few restaurants are there. Go find some food. Look at the clouds over here. It's a guarantee. போலாமே ஓய் யாரது We are in one private island. It is 3 meters away from. Oh, crab! கால் கிட்டே இருக்குது பாருங்க. செத்துக்குதா? தொட்டு பாருங்க. கடிக்காது. கடிக்காது. Oh, God! Look at the crabs. crab எப்படி சவுண்ட் போடும்? கட்ட 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 கட்ட. பாக்கல பாத்த crab. கட்ட 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 கட்ட. எங்க எண்டாவது லொகேஷன்? All this. நான் உள்ள அந்த crab வெளிய வந்துச்சு என்ன பண்றது? Okay. What a sacrifice. So we reached the Kudle beach. So before going having lunch also we took some photographs and all, walked into the beach. Like we didn't play in the water, we just stood over there. We didn't want to wet our pants and all. So when we climbed the rock over there, took some photographs and we found a dead crab also over there. And after we finished the photographs, we came back and we were heading towards our lunch spot. But before going to the lunch spot, we found one thing. I didn't record on the GoPro, I forgot. Because seeing that only I forgot that I haven't had a GoPro. Pani puri. Actually, before the previous night, I was craving for Maggi and chili cheese sandwich. Unfortunately, where I couldn't find. I still found sandwich, but it wasn't up to my expectations. But it was manageable. So couldn't anything. So pani puri was there. Went there, didn't do batting now because they told $80. Here only 20 rupees, so there 80 rupees. We had decently, we had only one plate. And I could have made at home itself, but why? It's my wasting time. I had there this one plate we had and we headed towards the lunch spot. Done with the photo shoots and all. Now we are going to lunch. You want to write something here? See. All my training. You want to see?
Not to see. Don't see the
See. Even he started cracking lame jokes like me. All my training. See the see. all my training. Tribe Village Cafe and Rooms. ஏய் அவங்களாம் தண்ணியிலே உட்காந்துங்கிறாங்க. Okay, we are going to have lunch over here. Osho. We finished eating so much. The entire thing was finished by the person holding the camera.
That's me.
Once we reached the hotel also, before going inside the hotel, I took some photographs of Master Nelson. Seeing that photograph, he was only amazed. He was like, next level it is. So I told him, for your marriage, I will be your photographer. Moses Bro will be my assistant photographer. I am photographer, he's assistant photographer. That range of nonsense, stupid talks now we were planning. Talking. It was all unwanted statement, unwanted talks. That all more we were doing. We went, ordered a bulk of food over there, which we couldn't eat so much. We tried as much as possible. We put our full effort in it to finish eating it. We couldn't finish. Little was left out. We gave it to the dogs. And after that, the plan was to go back to the room, freshen up, chill sometime in the swimming pool, come back to the beach and chill there. No. We were so lazy that we didn't get up from the lunch or that at the hotel itself. We stayed there till the night. We had dinner also over there. So lazy we were. I shot some nice sunset time lapse also, but can't tell that as sunset time lapse because sun was fully. It was surrounded by clouds. No sunset also, but time lapses are you must see. That's all. After that also night we had dinner in that same place itself and we went back to the room. I think we passed out. I don't know. We passed out in that and that's all. That was day 2. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. And we didn't explore much of GOKARNA also. The next day we were heading back to Bangalore. So we kept it simple. Like make it simple, we kept it simple. There were other beaches also, so we didn't explore much. That's it. So hope you guys liked this video and the previous video also. So kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. And the day 3 video will come tomorrow.